oon iyo rafaad iyo gaanjaan dhax ku soo marin gaari soo maraan cunuga garaawad iga noqday oo oon.
They have traveled for days and nights on end through wilderness, hungry and frail as they escape a devastating drought which has consumed the Horn of Africa, and an even more devastating 2 decades of war in their homeland, Somalia. Among the more than 1,500 families that arrive at the Dadaab refugee camp daily, Sharma Ibrahim and his family of 7 wait at Ifo reception center for newly arrived refugees. It only takes a sufficient expression of humanity and kindness to dissolve any form of helplessness and hopelessness. For the humanitarian organizations working at this camp, this is all they have for the new arrivals as they serve them. And Ibrahim's family was no exception.
Once the refugees come in from the gate, we usher them in. They come to the waiting shed, and then they will come here through one by one, taking fingerprints, the index fingers of the persons coming through. So from here, hand them over to DRA.
Once that screening is done, he comes to our desk. We write down his name, the family size, the age, and the country of origin, and then we wristband. After that, we write down through this manifest.
We do the medical screening for all the refugees who come in reception area. We also do the nutritional screening for all the under 5. So under nutritional screening, for those who find severely malnourished, we send them to the hospital. For those who are moderately malnourished, we send them to the different programs of feeding programs that we have. So do immunization for all the under 5s.
raashinka hadda waa mahadsantihiin aad boqol kadib waxaan rabaa si dhaqaale oo guri iyo meesha degay iyo afcilaha iyo kaar.
As he walked out of the reception center, the feeling of hope filled Ibrahim. For after a past of pain and anguish, finally they had felt a touch of a helping hand.